that we're in your cPanel. Now, there are 3 ways you can block these bad bots. You can block them by IP address, or you can block them by the site that is actually referring the bad bots, or you can just block it by search engines, and just make sure again you don't block Google or Bing. So scroll down, click on File Manager. Make sure the site you're working on is selected and Show Hidden Files is selected. Click Go. And we're going to find our htaccess file. Click on it once. At the top, click Edit again. And what we're going to do, we're going to block by IP address first. So to block by IP address, the only thing you need to do is just add this piece of code, just add deny from, and make sure you replace it with the IP address where the bad bot is coming from. To block by search engine, you're going to add this piece of code, and you're going to be making sure where the bad bot is coming from, you replace it with that. And to block an actual site that is sending, that was a mistake. Make sure you don't make any mistakes like that. To block a site that is sending the bad block, you're going to add this piece of code and just make sure you format it this way and make sure you replace it with the website. And make sure you click Save at the top, and that's all you will have to do. See you in the next video.